Okay, let's begin. Can you see my slide?
Yes.
Okay, wait, Okay, yes. All right. Okay, let's start. Okay, so today I'm going to do 5 grammar MCQs, 5 vocabulary. Oh, by the way, choose a color. Okay, this was what I was telling you. You can choose the colors of the pens. So what color do you want me to use today?
Turquoise.
Turquoise? There's a turquoise? Which one? Do you mean this one?
Yes.
Oh, that's actually this color. Let me show you. It's this color. It's green and black. You can see like black bits. Can you see like black bits inside?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's green. Okay, I'll use that. Thank you, Emma. Emma wants this. What about Diati?
Pink. Hot pink.
A hot pink. You mean this one?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, wait. Let me change that. Okay, wow. Did I choose the correct one? Yes, this one. Okay. This one. This color.
Yes.
From black, you change to this color.
Yes.
Is pink your favorite color by any chance?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Finally, I can see Araf. Am I saying your name correctly? Oh, you can unmute yourself. You know how to unmute yourself? The mic.
Miss Nisha, you spelled my name wrong.
I did. How do I spell her name?
T-H-I-A.
Oh, I forgot the H. Yes,
Yes.
yes, I forgot the H. I forgot the H. Sorry. Thank you for letting me know.
No, there's only one A.
Oh,
There's not before the Y.
There's only one.
Yeah.
Oh.
okay. Now, Araf,
For the Y.
is your name correct? Am I saying it correctly, Ara?
Okay, now, Ara. Is your name correct? Am I saying it correctly, Ara? Yes.
Araf. Okay, great. What primary school are you from?
Okay, great. What primary school are you from?
Okay.
Angsana Primary School.
Okay, good. Okay. Unless you're talking, you can unmute yourself. Otherwise, mute yourself. Okay? Because there's background noise. Everybody can hear themselves 2 times.
Unless you're talking,
So you can mute yourself now.
Otherwise, mute yourself. It's because of background noise. Everybody can hear themselves 2 times. So you can mute yourself now.
Yeah, you can fix your ask your mommy or someone to help you to fix your laptop so that we don't echo. I mean, there's no echo because right now there's echo. Maybe you want to put your earpiece inside. Wear a earpiece. If you have your earpiece or a headphones, you can wear it. Okay, let's start. Thank you for choosing your colors. We shall go with let's go with pink first since it's right on top. Then I'll change my color later. Okay, grammar MCQ. Who remembers? How many grammar MCQs question are there in paper 2? Grammar MCQ is yes, very good. I see Diati showing me 10. Yes, very good. There are 10 questions. And each of them are how many marks? Yes, 1 mark. You're right. So 10 questions, 10 marks altogether because each of them is 1 mark. And paper 2 opens with grammar MCQ, right? That's the first part of it. After that is vocabulary MCQ. How many questions? Who remembers? Sorry, this is vocabulary close, not vocabulary MCQ. So who can guess? Vocab MCQ, how many questions? Wait, oh. Vocab questions, are there 10? Let me check. I forgot myself. I keep teaching secondary and primary, so I need to check check it. Let me see. Vocabulary MCQ. Yes, vocabulary close is 5 questions. 5 marks. Yeah, 5 questions, 5 marks. And then comprehension, there's no comprehension MCQ, okay? It's comprehension open-ended, 20 marks, 10 marks. I'm sorry, 20 marks, 10 questions, 2 marks per question. Or it'll be a visual text MCQ, which means they give you a poster or an advertisement and you answer MCQ questions. That'll be 8 questions, 8 marks. But if for today, of course, because we're easing you into open-ended, we have MCQ. Okay, but that's not a component for PSLE, just to take note. Okay, starting with my end riddle. Who can tell me the answer? Likewise, it ends with the word and. That's why it's called an and riddle. But it's a verb. And what is the verb? An action word where you actually buy something overseas, you bring it to this country and you sell it. Yes, Diati?
Is it migrant? I don't know.
Migrants are people, right? Immigrants and migrants. What's the difference? Google it. Google it and tell me what's the difference. Oh, you're using your phone, wow. migrants is another word for immigrants. Okay, so what does immigrants mean?
Person from another country.
What they do? They go to another country for
Work.
Yes, very good. So people from one country going to another country for work, those are called migrants, right? But here, I'm not going from one country to another country. I'm bringing something from another country. I'm bringing an ant from another country into my country, right? But think of, yes, she's showing me. But think of this ant as a good. Okay, for example, if it's something that you want to sell. For example, I want to sell 1,000 handphones. So of course, if we're going to buy in Singapore and sell it, it's going to be really expensive because of our exchange rate. But if I buy in China, right, I can get an iPhone for maybe 500 yen, for example. Then I ship it to Singapore, and then now I can sell it at a profit, right? I can make a profit. So what is that verb called? The action of buying things overseas at a cheaper price and then bringing it to your country and then selling it at a higher price. Anyone? But give yourself a point for trying, Jati. So let me give you the answer. It is import. Have you heard of the word import? What is the opposite word of import? What is the opposite of import?
Export.
Yes, very good. The opposite of import is export. What is export?
To send something.
Yes, so for example, if somebody else in another country wants something that I have, then I'm going to export my goods overseas so that they can sell it. So that's export means from this country you bring overseas, bring to another country. Import means from another country you bring into your country. For example, the goods were imported from China. So whatever the goods were, they were imported from China. Means from Singapore, I got those goods from China. So if I say my phone, it was imported from China, meaning it's from another country. Okay? So the answer is then important, right? That's the end riddle. Important. So you can ask your friends or anyone to see if they can guess it. So important. Of course, it's not import and it's not import and, okay? It's important. All right. Very good. Well done. Let's start with today's grammar MCQ. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start with quantifiers. So I am going to, okay, there's only 3 of you. So basically, just imagine I'm not here, okay? You 3 can discuss by yourself. What you're going to do is you're going to group for me my quantifiers according to 3 categories. Countable nouns, uncountable nouns, and both. Countable nouns are things you can count with your finger, right? Your hair is not countable, is it? You cannot count one strand by your time. So hair is an example of an uncountable noun, right? A book is an example of a countable noun. A clue, if you're confused whether that's countable or uncountable, just think of whether that noun has a plural word. For example, book. If you add an S, becomes books. If there is a plural form of that noun, it is always countable. If there's no plural form for that noun, for example, time. What time is it? How much time do I have left? You cannot say how much times do I have left, right? So time, singular and plural is still time, right? So you won't add an S. So that's a clue. So if you cannot add an S, that means there's no plural form of the word. It's uncountable. If you can add an S, it is countable. So in this list of 10 quantifiers, quantifiers come from the word quantity. It tells you how much or how little of something. 3 of them belongs, you only can use it for countable nouns. 3 of them, you only can use it for uncountable nouns. And the remaining 4, you can use it for both countable and uncountable nouns. So you can discuss which ones out of this list, 3 of them are countable, okay? Which one out of this list, 3 of them are uncountable, and the remaining 4 can be used for both. Okay, so I'm going to send you into a breakout room. There's only 3 of you, so 3 of you in the same group, okay? So you can discuss and you will come back in by 4. Do you want me to take do you want to take a picture? Do you have a phone with you? If you have a phone with you, you can take a screenshot of this.
Oh, wait.
Yes, or anyone take a screenshot of my screen so you know what words you're quantifying. Okay. Yeah, take a screenshot of this screen. Yes, done. Okay, fantastic. And then I'm going to send you to a breakout room. You can discuss and then you can come back at 2:48. Let me send you to your breakout room for discussion. Okay, goodbye. You can now join. You can click join.
Oh,
Just
okay.
join, yes. If you need help, you can ask me help. I'll come to your room, okay? Hi, Miss Emma Watson. You are the first one to come back. Oh, you're back too.
Yes.
Where's your third friend?
I'm not sure.
I have no idea.
Was
did-
he in the breakout room?
Yes.
Oh, he was?
But he didn't talk anything in his video also.
Oh, really? So did you all discuss, the two of you?
Yes, but we're not very sure.
It's okay as long as you try. So this is teamwork. So you did it together, so you both get points. Okay. So what you can do, are you able to annotate on the screen? So if you see Zoom, there's an annotate button, a pen button, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So Emma, can you write for me C for the three words that are countable? Then Dyati, write for me UN. So C for countable.
Mm-hmm.
So just beside the word, write countable. Just write C, okay? Short form, countable. And then write UN for uncountable.
Okay.
My computer.
And then both. Both means it's countable and uncountable. Can be used for both. Okay.
Wait, I need a different color.
I cannot write with
Or you cannot write. If
You click the view options.
KVO option.
How do
And-
I?
you click view options, then you see a pen, the pen sign, annotate.
What's the
Then you can choose your color, and then you can write on the screen. C for countable.
Options?
Oh, view. Okay, for me, right, it's not view options. I see a long bar. Can you see the participants, chat, polls, new share, pause, and then you see annotate, the pen symbol.
Hey, can I get the mouse and come?
Mouse, yes, sure. Take a mouse and come,
Okay,
yes.
thank you.
Yes. Then you click on annotate, you see like you can either type or you can either write.
Participant, chat, share screen, record reactions, and add.
You don't see annotate?
I don't see annotate.
That's very strange. Maybe you have to go and get a newer version of Zoom. There should be an annotate button, like a pen button.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna ask my dad for a while.
Okay.
There.
Oh yes, I can see it writing UN.
Yes.
By the way, if you don't want to write, you can even type, you know. So if you click annotate, there's a text.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah.
type. It's better.
Okay.
Very
Yes.
messy when I write.
Yes, you can type it.
Yeah.
Okay, I see that you're writing on two of them. Arif, can you tell me? So I told you three of them are countable, right? Used for countable nouns. So which three do you think are used for countable nouns? Which three quantifiers? You can just try. If it's wrong, it's okay, no worries. So which of the three words here you use with things that you can count, countable nouns? Oh, I cannot hear you.
I'm back.
You're back.
Okay, I'm done.
So did your father tell you how to do it?
No, he just came.
Oh, he just hi, teacher. I mean, sorry, hi, teacher. Hi, father. Sorry.
What should I do to update this, right?
Oh no, basically there's supposed to be an annotate symbol, a pen symbol beside the pause and share. Do you see a pen symbol beside pause and share? Either she can type or she can write.
We don't have pausing.
We can chat.
No, not chat. Not chat.
You see chat, right? The chat symbol. Then you see the polls. You see pause and share. Beside it is annotate.
But we don't have the pause and share button.
Okay, now because that's I think it's because I'm using it, but you should have the annotate button. Do you have the annotate symbol?
I have the share screen, record,
Video,
and
reaction, apps, record.
That's all.
Yeah, I think it's maybe after like next time when you're free, you can just upgrade the